Are you guys trying to link your debit card or your credit card with your Cash App and it just doesn't work, or your card just gets declined by Cash App? Well, you guys are at the right video, because by the end of this video, you guys will know how you guys can fix Cash App's card decline problem. But before I show you the solution to this problem, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first reason could be if the card you're trying to link with your Cash App is expired. So make sure if your card is not expired. And the other thing is, make sure that your bank allows Cash App, which means some banks, they just don't allow to link your bank account or your card with Cash App. If that's the problem, the only way to fix it is you gotta call your bank and personally request them to allow that link to happen, because until and unless your bank allows that, it's not gonna happen. And the other thing is, you need to enter the correct information of your card when you're trying to link it with your Cash App. If the card information you entered is incorrect, then it's gonna decline it. So you gotta check that as well. And the other thing is, you need to have sufficient balance on your card. So let's say your card has $0. It's not gonna be linked with your Cash App. You need to have sufficient amount of money in your Cash App to be linked. And the other is, make sure your internet connection is fast enough to link your debit card or your credit card. Otherwise, due to your slow internet connection, it's gonna say card decline. So these are the factors that's causing you this problem. And sometimes if none of the thing worked which I said until now, just delete your Cash App, reinstall it again. Sometimes it's just like a small bug, and deleting and reinstalling your Cash App simply fixes it, alright? So that's how you guys can fix Cash App card decline. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Guide, and bye bye.